SMM Store Discussion, RP Pangasinan Branch, August 29, 2025. Attendees to the Ann, Marie Chris, and Christian Paul, day of Romar absence region. So, bali sa warehouse, store delivery schedule natin is every Wednesday. Sa warehouse request inventory, bali may pinaka-inventory sila, yung canary yellow na CBC, extra small, tsaka XL. Zero yung stocks natin. CBC na citrus orange, XS to XL, zero din yung stocks. Premium cotton fatigue, bali medium, 0-10. And then yung sa premium cotton dark green, large, bali may apat tayo na stocks. So sa website update doon is yung laser engraving products. Bali nandun na sa website natin yung iba't ibang item na for engrave. So pwede natin i-check doon once na tinanong nila tayo. Bali sa ROM naman, yung comparison ng tarpaulin versus fabric, yung safe reply doon. Nandun yung mga difference of material use na ginamit sa banner. Nandun na din yung price per square foot and features niya. And yung sa cellphone stand collection naman, includes the materials and prices, also the functions. Nandoon na din siya. So bali sa OLM, sa Shirt Planet, yung promo nila doon, yung two-tone polo, and then yung combi na polo na Shirt Planet. Sa two-tone polo, bali 150 siya, yung promo niya is free na free, pero divide lang. And then yung sa combi polo naman, as low as for only 250 pesos pala siya, bali minimum pero siya ng 30 pieces, yung combi, mga nandyan, pero 30 pieces, Shirt Planet. And then, sa TIT naman, supply printing, as low as 60 pesos per meter, minimum ng 100 pieces, and then yung scrap suit with pants, naman natin, as embroidery naman siya, embroidered scrap suit with pants, 399 only. Bali yung sa scrap suit naman natin with pants, embroidered scrap suit with pants for only 399, minimum of 6 pieces. Bali free natin yung programming fee. Ito, yung scrap suit natin. Pero kunwari, nag-order sila 6 pieces daw, tapos nag-additional bill ng isa. Hindi na daw siya papasok sa 399, regular price. Tapos sa ads and promo, thinkwear, cutlery. Bali sa ads and promo, yung update doon is yung brochure, yung thinkwear, cutlery, and tableware. And then meron tayong promo yung sa Days of the Week shirt. Bali buy 7 siya for only 999. So bago yun. And then sa tricycle ads naman natin, meron tayong 30 na active. Sa streamer 7, sa speaker 15, and sa 38 for installation wala. Bali sa treasury naman, yung customer complaint, lacking yung stocks ng ordering customer. So I learned that every problem has its own solution. Instead of focusing to the problem, let's focus on finding solution to the problem. And then sa MIS naman, bali sa may DIF, additional copy approval link na siya. So pwede na tayo doon yung multiple items to be, kung hindi na siya single, kung narin isang customer, marami siyang item na pinaka-code, pwede na yun sa akin na siya. And then sa visual categorization naman, yung VC269, key management, bali for execution tayo ng September 1, in charge si Julian. Sa HR naman, bali meron basic items sa September 1, open slot is 8. Ang store attendees natin doon is si Jenny. Yun lang po.